Boy, do I love walking outside at night.
Meow.
Oh, hey, little fella. Are you lost?
Meow.
Let me check your collar. Oh, so your name's Socks?
Meow.
Say, are you hungry?
Meow.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna take you to my house. You seem to be like a pretty nice cat.
Meow.
Your owner must be pretty lucky to have a cat like you.
Meow.
It is pretty cold tonight.
Meow.
Hopefully we find your owner soon enough.
Meow.
I'm sure your owner will find you eventually. I mean, nowadays everyone has cameras.
Meow.
But you're in good hands. I'll get you to my house and we'll get you something to eat.
Meow.
Alright, we're here. Let's get you inside.
Meow.
Finally home. Now just wait there while I get your bowl. Oh, hey, little guy. What's your name?
Meow.
Oh, so your name is Socks?
Meow.
Well, nice to meet you, Socks. My name is Luigi.
Meow.
Socks, I'm back with your food.
Meow.
Eat up, little guy. Here.
Meow.
You know about the cat too, Mario? Yeah, Luigi, I found him on the street. Hopefully we can get him to his owner. I hope so too, Luigi. It's pretty sad. Alright, I'm gonna go watch some TV. I'm gonna go play with my Nintendo Switch. I smell cat's fur. Relax, buddy. I must find that cat. Aha! There you are.
Meow.
I've got you now, you little rascal. Snoopy, no!
Meow.
My socks are your own. Take that, you stinky furball bastard! Snoopy! Oh, crap. I tried to warn ya. Snoopy, why would you do that? You know I can't control myself, Mario. You know how much I hate cats. Just get out of my face. I gotta take him to the vet. It's okay. You'll be good. Is he gonna be alright, doctor? Oh no, don't worry. He'll be just fine. He's just got a little concussion. But we'll fix it. Phew, I thought he was in serious condition. Well, he'll be ready in a jiffy. Okay, doctor. I'll call you from the waiting room once he's ready. Talk about putting belt to ass. Mario, the doctor's ready to see you. Okay. Anything further, doctor? Great news, Mario. He's now fully healthy and ready to go. Oh, thank you, doctor. I'm gonna take him home. Well, good night, Socks. We've got a long day ahead of us tomorrow.
Meow.
Whoa. Good morning, Socks? 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 Oh no! Luigi, have you seen Socks? I'm wearing socks right now. No, you idiot! I mean Socks the cat! Oh, that's Socks. No, I haven't seen him either. Mamma mia! Socks, where are you? Hey, buddy, I miss you so much.
Meow.
What the... Bowser? Oh, hey, Mario. I was looking everywhere for my cat. What? Your cat? Yeah, I went to the adoption center earlier because Junior wanted a pet, so I decided to adopt this cat for him. Okay. I'm gonna just head on home.